We do see like three main trends in indirect infrastructure equity. One is energy transition, then there's digitalization, and we do see a marked increase in volumes of co-investments and secondaries. Looking at the co-investments and secondaries first, clearly the last 2 years have been a tough fundraising environment for GPs. So GPs are generally trying to stretch out their investment periods also by offering co-investments. Firstly, they approach like their large and trusted LPs to syndicate those co-investments. So this allows us to steer our portfolio to attractive themes with co-investments, but also to lower the fees ultimately with co-investments. And there's a similar story when we look at GP-led secondaries or continuation funds, where also the large LPs would be the first point of contact for the GPs. So this should also provide our investors an attractive entry points into those assets. When I'm looking at the second topic, energy transition, clearly the Ukraine war with the following energy crisis has been a big driver. The energy crisis has been receding, but fossil fuel prices are still significantly above the levels that we have seen before the Ukraine war. So this means that really now renewable energy is seen as the solution for all three main goals of energy policy. That's affordability, that's energy security, and climate targets. So therefore, we've seen a lot more and more attractive investment opportunities in renewables over the last 2 years. And with more and more renewables built out, more intermittent capacity, clearly there's also other energy infrastructure required. That can be interconnectors, that can be battery storage, but it can be also green hydrogen. And those are all sectors that we are closely monitoring and have also invested in.
And on the digital infrastructure side, I mean, we see artificial intelligence rolling out and having, more and more use cases every day. And that will have implications, of course, when we think about the end user and the way how we work, how we live, how we collaborate. In terms of the supply side, where we see an immediate need is for capacity requirements, for example, in the data center space. But I think it goes way beyond that. It goes into also more connectivity options between compute and edge facilities or storage facilities. It also goes into more connectivity between devices and end users, and also the associated requirements of those capacities, be it energy requirements as well as connectivity between those. So I think that will just play out, and we're able to participate as infrastructure investors in that big digital transformation wave.